Solution Center in Marshalltown, Iowa, to see an innovation for liquid level control. And leading us through that conversation is Tyler Reeder from Emerson. Welcome, Tyler.
Thank you, Anna.
Now, what are you going to be showing us today?
The Fisher L2t liquid level controller.
What are people using now?
Most people are using limit switches with electric actuated valves.
And how is that different than the L2t?
So there's several differences with the L2t. First is the device enables modulation, which results in smoother control by continuously reacting to the inflow. Second is it increases reliability by reducing the amount of full strokes on this dump valve. And then third is ease of use because it takes a fraction of the time to calibrate the device.
Can we see it in action?
Yeah, so this demo has actually been running the whole time.
Oh.
And right now the system is at steady state. And so I'm going to increase the inflow and the device will read the level change. And you can see on screen that signal is going to increase and it will proportionally throttle the dump valve until it reaches steady state again. And then it works the same way in the opposite direction. So if I decrease that inflow, it will read the level change and proportionally throttle that dump valve without fully stroking it.
Now, you mentioned ease of setup. Can we see that?
Yeah, so the device can be calibrated with two simple push buttons inside the 4400 on the side of the L2t. And you just set the 0 and the span, and then it's ready to go.
And what are the typical applications of the L2t?
So the L2t is primarily focused on separation in midstream and upstream oil and gas applications. However, it's also useful in those areas that want separation, but where legacy pneumatics exist or where automation systems do not exist. And the local independent control of the device enables upgrades to some of those older designs to be using the L2t in combination with a positioner or better yet, a digital valve controller.
Now, are there any other highlights that you can share with us?
Yeah, so with upgrades or retrofits, there can sometimes be complexity when switching to different level control technology. However, that's not the case with the L2t, which saves time and money.
Oh, sure. Now, if someone wants to get started, where can they go for more information?
You can go to your local Emerson sales office or go to emerson.com and search for L2t.
Wonderful, Tyler. Thank you so much for your time today. And be sure to check out more demos we have available as part of the virtual Emerson Exchange.